Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the Homecell Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, a 12-pack of cleaning rags that are perfect for all your cleaning needs. These cleaning towels come in 4 assorted colors: green, blue, yellow, and pink, and are made of high-quality microfiber. One of the best things about these cleaning cloths is how effective they are. With just water or cleaner, you can achieve streak-free and neat results on your worktop, kitchen, windows, and even your car. Plus, they're lint-free and scratch-free, so you can clean with confidence, knowing that you won't damage any finishes. Not only are these cleaning cloths effective, but they're also reusable and durable. You can use them hundreds of times and they're designed to be long-lasting. By reducing the use of paper towels, you can make a positive impact on the environment. These cleaning towels are versatile and easy to wash, making them perfect for a wide range of tasks. From general cleaning to car exteriors, electronics, eyeglasses, screens, and more, these cloths have got you covered. And after use, simply rinse them or throw them into your washing machine. It's that easy. So if you're in the market for high-quality, versatile cleaning cloths, I highly recommend checking out the Homecell Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. And hey, if you decide to give them a try, make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on a pack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome product reviews.